Welcome to Ferguson Enterprises, dual trade, plumbing and HVAC. My name is Antonio de la Fuente. I'm the branch manager for branch 242 in San Antonio, Texas. Let me give you a tour of my store and show you what we do and how we get things done. Welcome to the counter. To our counter. Let me introduce to you to our HVAC specialist, Mr. David Case, with more than 40 years of experience. How you doing, Mr. Dave?
Welcome, guys. Let me introduce you to a couple of products we have here on the air conditioning side. Over here on this side, we've got our Durastar line. We've got the gas furnace, coil, cooling only setup. We can do heat pump. We can do electric air handlers. I also have our mini split line, Mitsubishi. Single zone, multi-zone. It's a new product that we have here at Ferguson, along with all of these new products that we've got. Yellow Jacket, Fill Piece, JB. We've got our indoor air quality line here. Certain thermostats that we're carrying right here. We have access to everything that you might need. Over here, we've got all of our fan motors, capacitors to fill your needs. On this other side here, we've got contactors, heating parts, relays, controls. Let me bring you down this aisle over here. Here's some more of our tools that we have. All of our tapes. All of our copper fittings that we have here for refrigeration sizes. I have all the other copper sizes over with the plumbing fittings too. Dryers. We've got our chemicals over here for cleaning. We've got WD-40. We've got our flush systems, vacuum pump oil. Over here, all of our drain stuff that you might need as far as the switches, condensate pumps. I have a lot of electrical stuff, power cords, disconnect boxes. We've gotten some new pieces coming in, thermostat wires. And lastly, I have on this side over here, got all of our filters. We've got some grills. We've got vent pipe. And I still have a wide array of stuff that's still in the warehouse. So pretty much what you might need, let us know. We'll take good care of you.
It's amazing, Mr. Dave. All the products that you guys keep on your counters. I mean, like you said, please our customers. Please stop by and if you Thank you for taking the time to visit our counter. We totally appreciate your business. If there is anything we can do for you, just let us know and stop by to one of the best counters in San Antonio, North Park 242. Thank you.